Hello, my name is Jeff and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com. This is a 2010 GLK350 4MATIC. The 4MATIC is all-wheel drive. The color is a Barolo Red Metallic with light beige interior. Has 18-inch wheels with recently new tires all the way around. Body's in excellent condition. Here's a look at the seats. Has really nice wood trim. That's real wood. Automatic climate control, premium sound system, Bluetooth. This has a Panorama glass roof with power shade. Front seats are power and heated. Look at the back seat. The back seats will fold down flat. Power tailgate. Has the parcel cover and some additional storage underneath and a spare under that. So look at dual exhaust. This has the electric tilt steering, as well as a 3-position memory seat on the driver's side. Beautiful condition all the way around. Runs and drives excellent. And beautiful color combination. Thank you for looking in. Give us a call. We'd love to give you more information on this GLK Mercedes.